Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the uTorrent application for free in any Windows like Windows 7 or Windows 10 or Windows 11. So further ado, let's get started. First, open up your browser and search here for uTorrent. So open up the first site. This is the official website of uTorrent. Now you can see multiple download option here. You can see there is one uTorrent web application and the other one is uTorrent Classic. So as we are using our desktop computer, so we are gonna select the desktop version. It's the classic one. So click on the free version here. Then it will redirect you to the other website of its. Now you can see the pro version, ad free version, and the basic version. We are gonna go with the basic version because we are going to use it for free now. As you can see, the download option has automatically popped up. Now click on the save option. And as you can see, the download has already been completed. Now locate this file from your computer, right click on your mouse and run this as an administrator. Keep all the permission it needs. Click on next. Now in here it is showing us an advertisement. Simply decline it. Click on next, next. And now it is installing the application on our computer and it's already been finished. Now click on the launch option here and click on finish. And as you can see, this is the application that we need. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials like this.